If you're encountering a rendering failed error on HeyGen 2026, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure that your computer meets the minimum system requirements for HeyGen 2026. This includes checking your operating system, RAM, and graphics card specifications. Step 2. Update software. Make sure that you have the latest version of HeyGen 2026 installed. Check for updates and install any available patches or new versions to fix bugs that may cause rendering issues. Step 3. Clear cache. Clear the cache and temporary files associated with HeyGen. This can help eliminate corrupted files that may be causing the rendering failure. Look for the cache clearing option in the settings menu. Step 4. Adjust rendering settings. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROG to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Restart the application. After making changes, restart HeyGen 2026. This can refresh the application and apply any adjustments you've made, potentially fixing the rendering error. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the rendering failed issue on HeyGen 2026. If the problem persists, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.